Hi everyone, Christy here with the Print and Cut Club, and today I'm going to go over our Memories of Autumn paper bag book print and cut kits. So you will find in your files that you have actually a lot more embellishments than you'll see in this book, and that's because I wanted to give you free reign on making extra cards or redoing the book in any way you see fit. So we have the cover here. I've pop dotted everything to kind of, bring it off the page. I've also inked the edges. So when you open it up, you'll see Thankful. So on the front, it says Memories of Autumn. You open it and it says Thankful. And then you can actually open it even once more. And there's plenty of room for photos right here. And then this Thankful tag actually pulls out. It says Memories on one side and Thankful on the other. So you can just tuck that right back in. The next page says This Happened, and you can actually add photos on these tags or do some journaling. We have them double-sided. They just tuck right back in this little pocket. You'll find that every other page is a pocket. In these pockets, you can actually cut a 5.5 by 6 inch sheet of cardstock and tuck these right in. So you can add one to each side, you can add more, you can add memorabilia, little tickets, or what have you. There are extra tabs, so if you want to actually adhere tabs to these tags, then you definitely can do that. Also add ribbons if you like. So our next page says, Love this, amazing, so cool, and it has another tag that you can pull out. Again, you can add photos or do some journaling. Just tuck that in. There we go. The next one has a flip up, so you can add a little photo there, add more photos there, add whatever you like down there. You can just leave it. I like the cute little mushrooms. The next page we have Happiness, Harvest, Thankful, and Family, and these are all tags that pull out. So I didn't do anything on the back of these, however you definitely can. And then for these, I just did a double-sided paper on those. This is just the cutest kit. Katie from Just So Scrappy. I've known her for many, many years, and I just absolutely love her decorations. And so she gave me permission to use her kit so that I could create this for you guys. So our next page, again, would have more tags that you can pull out. If you like this kit, she has a lot more pieces to it, and you can definitely pick up this kit, not the paper bag book, but all of her embellishments by going to her Etsy site. So next page, we have Autumn. And then you open that, it says Family. You can add more photos. You can add a photo here. These little chicks are so cute. A little acorn on his head. Flip it over, another pocket page. Again, with more tags. You can see I didn't do any double-sided on these tags. Cute little sweater. Sweater weather is what it says here. Little bingo cards are adorable. Next one, another green and blue. Again, nothing on the back. And then another pocket, and then you have the back. So you have thick page, pocket page, thick page, pocket page, a thick page, and a pocket page. I hope you enjoy making your Memories of Autumn album, and if you do, or you use this kit to make your own design, be sure to share that with me in the group, the forum, or on our Facebook page. Thanks so much for watching.